What do you know about fossils? A fossil is the very long ago, we could say prehistoric remains of something that was once living. It doesn't have to be a stegosaurus or another dinosaur. It could be a plant. It could be another early life form like a brachiopod or trilobite. It could be a shell from something. It could be just a bone or an armored plate from something that lived long ago. It could be a leaf, but it has to be something that was once living, plant or animal. And what happens to form a fossil is it has to fall into something soft like sand or sediment, mud. It could drift to the bottom of an ocean, lake, river, and it has to happen pretty quickly for a complete skeleton to be preserved. But anything that settles into one of those things and gets covered up and buried, imagine you're walking in the bottom of a lake or pond, all that muck at the bottom of your feet. Anything living that falls into there is going to get trapped in there. Over a long time, we're talking tens of thousands or more, many more years, that eventually the pressure and the heat will cement it and minerals will leach into the bones or into the form of whatever it was, say a leaf or a shell, and they'll replace it by turning it into rock. So it becomes a rock and is in the exact shape of something else. Fossils can also form, like they call them trace fossils, like a fossil of a footprint, or where something once was and then it went away, but it left its imprint. But we're talking about the fossils that get left and turned into rock. So it can only happen in sedimentary rock because igneous rock is too hot. Magma and lava would totally melt whatever it was. And metamorphic rock has too much pressure and heat, and that would totally deform and ruin whatever it was. So if you find a fossil, you know that you found a sedimentary rock. So say goodbye.